Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting with a blank workbook. Open Excel and pick blank workbook or a template that matches your task. Once the file opens, click Enable Editing and immediately save as to XLSX with a clear name so autosave works. Next, rename the Sheet tab and enter concise headers in row 1. These are your keys for sorting and formulas. Make sure to adjust column widths and wrap text so values are visible. This small structure saves time later. Now build the workbook logic. Enter consistent data types down each column so formulas behave predictably. Create formulas in the header row or summary area. Use equals sum, A2, A50, equals average, B2, B50, and equals if C2 0, yes, no, and lock references with $ when copying. Convert your range to a table to get structured references, autofill handles series and formulas, and add filters plus freeze panes so you can inspect large sheets. This keeps calculations dynamic and easy to audit. To finish, summarize with a chart. Select data, go to Insert, pick a chart, then label axes and tweak the type to match the message. Make a final save, export to PDF if needed, and use Share to give collaborators edit or view access, or protect Sheet to lock formulas. If something breaks, like #ref or hash value, trace precedence, check for deleted cells, and confirm data types. Often a single bad reference or text in a numeric column is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.